No, don't touch my feet. This is Asia Pacific Airlines 757-200 going to Guam. There he is over there. You see him? Oh, there it is. Oh, the water got pretty close that time. This is a 757. There he is. That's a pretty cool plane. This is a DHL 777F. Oh, yeah, it's a freighter. Oh, you can see him take off right there. He's gonna come right over this building. Right over there. Oh yeah, you can see the yellow on him. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Yellow light, yeah. Baking right over. Yeah. I can't wait for that. It's gonna be massive. I don't know. I'll check in a minute. No, he's on the schedule. We can take him up later. Oh, he is. This is a 8380 ANA going to NRC. There he is. He's lifting up. Look at that. Whoa. He's so big. I can see him way out there. He's right over there. You see him? He's so big. Whoa. Holy. He's right
Holy
there.
cow.
Look at it. Whoa. Oh my God. Look at that. Wow, look at that. No, don't go in the clouds. There we go. Woo. There he is. There he goes. You see him out there? There he is. Look at that 717 Hawaiian. He's low. Wow. That's pretty cool. I wonder if he's coming in that way. Who knows? Yeah. Wow, that's low. That was pretty cool. Wow. That's cool. Oh. Now that's my favorite plane spotting feature. Look at that, it's low, dude. Yeah, they're really low. They see it take off, they're way out there. It'd be really cool to see like a 747 or an A380 do that. That's cool. Coming right by. Look how close he is, dude. Wow. That's cool. The Hawaiian, I think. Wow. Air New Zealand. Wow. Whew. That was cool. There he is. The ANA A380. The orange turtle over there. There he is. Ah, really in the top. where you came in from. That's okay. There he is. Yep, that's him. Ah, sprinkling. Can't really see him too well. That was a big wave. Yeah, there he is. Oh, he's turning. Looks like he's banking around. A zebra more eel, luckily. That's good. There's this pair though. Look, he's right up there. I saw this guy. Oh yeah, the butterfly fish.
And this guy.
Oh nice.
And this guy. Saw a bunch of these.
There he is, the zip bear.
What is that, a 777?
787 Deck 8.
Oh, 77.
And going to Tokyo.
The fancy plane, more comfortable for the trip to Tokyo.
Ah. Yep, there he is. Too bad you can't see him up close. Or if you probably get a really good shot of him. Wow. That's pretty cool. There's the Philippine Airlines A330 from Manila. Yeah, no kidding. That's him, for sure. Look at that. Look at that. Awesome. That's so cool, man. The United 777-300. That's a big one. Woo. Look at that. Look at that. Like the focus. waves are so loud. There he is. That's him. There's the Air China 737 MAX 8. That's cool. Never gotten to see one of these guys in person. Nice. Wow, pretty cool. I know he doesn't look like an Air China. I think. Yeah, it's a 767. Engines are shutting down.
Trent 1000 engine.
Yeah, he just arrived. The 787.
The 787 here.
Look at those are like A350 looking engines. Oh, there goes something. Oh, there goes that 767 again. Look at GCM behind there. Yeah, 767. You're just seeing the party. It's cool, the A380 is right next to it. Oh, look at the cargo door just open. Yeah, 747. Oh, look at there's another 747 behind him. That's cool. Look at it. There's two 747s right next to each other. Look at the UPS and then the other one. Look at that little one. Planespotting here is Japanese, right? Look at that guy, he's really cool. And our plane is going to take us to Sacramento. Just came in.
Yep.
Yeah,
he's
that's
taxiing
him.
right here.
There he is.
Got the 747 white one pushed back too.
It is. Oh yeah, that big white one pushed back. There's the other 747 again. Wow. There he goes. He's going to Hong Kong, I believe, or something. Something like that. Look at this white 747 right here. Little guy just took off. Look at that Hawaiian just taxiing. I don't know where he's going. Look at that big boy. Looks like it. Yeah, I see the triple gear on there too. Oh, that's a Korean, not part of that. Delta's pushing back. It's like a 767. There he is.
Why should I be excited?
Yep, that's him.
Because we're gonna see him.
Yeah, United 777 200 variant.
I'm confused.
Like
Why
the
does it say
older
want to get away
777.
hard?
I like the newer one. It sounds a lot better. Yeah, it's gonna have like.
No.
Oh my god.
That's a C5A.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that one back there.
He's taxing out, dude. He's gonna take off. Look how many landing gear he has.
Wow, look at all those landing gear, dude.
Way.
That is so cool.
That's a C. That I've
That is
never
so
seen
cool.
a C5 Galaxy.
Yep, I
At
know.
this point, I've
Not
seen
many of
them.
them around anymore.
At this point, I've
Wow.
seen them all. I wanted to see them in my life.
Look at that. Oh, look at you can see the Alaska taxi back
I just
there.
saw the final one I wanted to see.
That was the one I
C5.
saw. I thought he was a C-17. C5A Super Galaxy.
Flew in the Lucky Starting.
The next
Oh,
thing
yeah,
I
he's
want
turning a
to
little.
do is see an A380 landing.
That is so
Next thing I
cool.
want to do is see
That's
an
like the
A380.
equivalent of the A380, but just in the military form.
Military form. So the nose opens up all the way and you can load it with tanks and jeeps and